Hello, I was just chilling and decided to click this photo for you guys. I bought a new charger that is super fast charge. This is me in the kitchen. I just took a selfie this morning. So guys, this is my dinner, chicken and rice mixed with green crumbs. So there is this oil that is black medical shampoo. It is a shampoo that I do use to wash my hair. We have the herbal hair growth. I do laundry with this. That is my laundry. And then this day I was washing the carpet using this machine. It is a washing machine. The other day I went to Isili and bought some daras. Went to buy clothes, some clothes, a Muslim clothes. That is dera. That is in Eastlands. Everybody know where it is. And then I took this photo for cooking chicken. And I decided to do this vlog, guys. I clicked some of the photos. Here I was traveling using a train. This is the chicken that you just saw. I was cooking very little, so I decided to take a video. So I was just cooking slowly, and the aroma that was coming there was amazing. I did put some seasoning, that is turmeric, salt, paprika, garam masala. You know, ladies, you know what I'm talking about by seasoning. So that day I was just cooking them slowly and then I covered them. So this is the charger that I was talking about. The vlog. I just cooked some small cakes, half cakes. Also have milk, and I was drinking it with some the chocolate powder. I have some chocolates over there too. I'll be enjoying the chocolate after this. This is the breakfast. That is more milk that is inside that container, so I will eat all of them today. So here we have our chicken. I just put this to wash it. I'm going to wash it with some lemon. So we also have our Himalayan fine salt. We have cinnamon, turmeric, chili, and also some ingredients. We have 3 tomatoes. We have this to add flavor. Let's add ginger and onion. Another thing that we have added in is the onion. This is the garlic and a small ginger that you're going to be pounding. You can also grate or blend your ingredients. For me, I'll be going in with blending all my ingredients together. So let's blend these.
it's electronic. I'm cooking with electronic, so this is it's like a pressure cooker. So we also have my chicken over here. This is the spices, the Royco cube, the red chili. So I'll be cooking the rice and this. So as I wash the dishes, cooking at the same time. Yeah, guys. So this vlog continues. It's a very yummy cover like that. So we are going to start cooking. This is the gas, and I'll be using this pan to cook. Hey, I want to send you katika hii draw hapa ya vyombo. Nipe kale kadeka kusaga tomato. Unajua pale nazi moja iko kwa draw ya kwanza hapo katikati.
Boti ni ndogo lakini iko na bedroom tatu. Ukiona vile vimewekwa.
Ati maji yameenda. Pamoja kwa hapo hivyo, kingine kwa hiyo drawer yako karibu na wewe huko nyuma. Drawer hii hapa karibu na kwanza. Hebu. Kuna hiyo na ule mwenzake. Mwenzake yuko kwa hii drawer nyingine. Hiyo iko na mlango. Ama yuko hapo, kama yuko hapo yuko hapo. Muone. Na wafio mkose. Thank you so much, okay?
Jana ndio na maboti.
I'm cooking here something rice and chicken in today's vlog. Hi everyone, good evening, good morning, depending on where you're watching me from. I'm in my kitchen. I'm back to another vlog. So what you see here is the dirty dishes that I'm going to do. So you can see there is water. So let's do this. This is how I do my dishes at home. I also have some soap over here you can be able to use. In Africa, you can wash it on the sink, you can wash it outside, depending on what you want.